Good afternoon, everyone. Jason here. Today is June 26th, and this is your aftermarket update. All right, so we had a good day here at the Oil Trading Group. If you take a look at your price ladders there to the left, you can see that we were up on the CL, and we were down just a little bit on the ES today. It was really kind of an aggressive market here today. In fact, one of the things that we had a little bit of trouble with this morning, getting in rhythm here with the CL, and then you had a big sell-off. Let's talk a little bit about this. By the way, we are making this video a little bit earlier than normal today. I do have a webinar presentation that I'm going to be conducting here in about an hour, and I needed to get this knocked out prior to that. So there is more information out here, and the market is fairly aggressive here this morning. One of the things that we were watching here today is we had a level that had a lot of activity right around right around the 69.70 area. And again, I apologize if you don't know here. I've had some dental issues. I've got an oral surgery planned for early next week. And so if you hear a little bit of slurring or my enunciation is not as clean as it normally is, you'll understand why. So the market comes up into our daily structure target where we made the high. We had one of our patterns that we look for short. Market comes down into it. We waited to get short initially at this 69.70 area. We were looking for a deeper target here today. In fact, we were looking for it to come down not just to 17, but we were actually looking for it to come down to 85. So if you were in the trade room today, you know we had a couple of losing trades leading into this trade. Then the market comes down, rotates around, and eventually sells off all the way down into... we got down as deep as 0506. Market pulls back up and takes us out for a 30-tick trail stop. So then the market begins to rally back up, and it's right in this area where we were looking to get long. In fact, I got long on the first time through this area here at 69. The market then comes down and takes me out by a single tick here at, let's see if I can find it. It was at 61. I got taken out to the tick. That's 62. Here it is right here. I got taken out right down in this area here. And then the trade of the day that I'm going to show you is we get in long again on our 3-bar pattern right off of the top of this 69.70. In fact, I get in at 69. And we talked about the fact that the market should pause around 06 and then maybe even as high as 12. And we said, well, let's go ahead and try to get an even 50 ticks out of it. Maybe it will overshoot that level. And the market continues to rally, goes up, 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 and then eventually comes in and takes out our target right there at 19. So that was our 50-tick trade of the day here that I'm going to show you in just a few moments. The bottom line is this. When the market, you're going to have opportunities. And one of the things that we talk about in here quite frequently is the fact that you're going to lose. You're going to have losing trades. But if your losing trades outpace your winning trades by a wide margin, then you don't have to win every trade. You don't have to win every day. So if you watched yesterday's trade of the day video, we had a 5-to-1 risk reward trade for 64 ticks. Today we had a 5-to-1 risk reward trade for 50 ticks on the CL. And so again, we had a couple of losing trades leading into that big trade, but that one trade wipes out all of the losing and puts us up again positive here today. So what I've done here is I've taken this final trade that I just showed you. I have chopped it up into pieces. I'll let you hear where we get into it. We cut it down into pieces, and then I sped those pieces up, put a little bit of music behind it so you can see where we get in and where the target actually achieved, and so you can see how that matches what you see on your price ladder here today. So again, without further ado, here is that OTG trade of the day. 69 long, stop 59. I need to be careful. Target 69.09.